What would you do if you built your home with care, only to be driven out by a ruthless invader? This isn't a story about people. It's a tale of wings, beaks, and battles for survival. In the heart of Zhejiang, China, hidden behind the quiet lens of a home surveillance camera, an epic drama unfolded on a balcony. A story of betrayal, courage, and cleverness in the skies. Stay tuned, because this is no ordinary bird story. It all started peacefully. A spotted-necked dove, gentle and unassuming, found a perfect little nook on a woman's balcony in Zhejiang. She gathered twigs, carefully shaping her nest, preparing for a new beginning, a family. But nature is not always kind, and peace in the animal kingdom is often temporary. One day, while the woman went about her usual routine, her home surveillance camera caught something shocking. A flash of black and white swooped in, a magpie. Bold, aggressive, ready to conquer. With the precision of a seasoned warrior, the magpie attacked. It darted toward the dove's nest, pecking, flapping, intimidating. The dove resisted at first, fluttering, shielding her home, but she was no match. The magpie's persistence paid off. In a scene that felt almost symbolic, the magpie not only chased the dove away, but carried off parts of the nest in its beak. It wasn't just eviction, it was theft. As news of this clip spread, viewers were stunned. The old saying goes, a dove steals a magpie's nest. But this time, the tables had turned. The magpie had claimed the dove's home. But the drama didn't stop there. Days later, just down the road, another confrontation brewed. This time, between the magpie and a different rival, the small-billed crow. Unlike the dove, crows don't go down easy. On a roadside filled with scraps and hidden treasures, a small-billed crow was busy scavenging, its beady eyes focused, its sharp beak picking through debris. Suddenly, the magpie appeared again, bold as ever, trying to sneak a share of the crow's find. Big mistake. The crow snapped to attention and launched itself at the magpie. The air was thick with tension. Wings flapped violently. The magpie tumbled back, caught off guard. The crow seized the prize, a lump of organic matter, and flew off in triumph. But magpies don't forget. Undeterred, the magpie followed from a distance, waiting for a chance to reclaim what it believed was rightfully its own. Just as it prepared to strike again, another crow joined the fray. Reinforcements had arrived. This time, the magpie hesitated. It crept forward cautiously, only to be ambushed once more. The crows, cunning and united, drove it off completely, claiming the territory and the food. These aerial battles might seem small to us, but to these birds, it's a matter of survival, dominance, and instinct. In the skies above our cities, in the trees beside our homes, entire kingdoms rise and fall. Nests are claimed, battles are fought, and the drama never ends. So the next time you see a dove perch quietly, or a crow cawing overhead, remember, they might be warriors in a world we barely notice. If you enjoyed this peek into the secret life of birds, hit that like button. Subscribe for more wildlife stories, and tell us in the comments, Team Dove, Team Magpie, or Team Crow, who would you root for? Until next time, keep looking up, because the skies have more stories than we think.